On November 17, 2025, in Los Angeles, California, around 12:25 p.m. near the 83,000 block of Northgate Avenue, officers are informed via a radio call about a suspected assault with a deadly weapon.
LAPD 911.
Hello? This is an emergency. There's a man with a gun. He was pointing at us.
What's the address?
83 Northgate Avenue. The police is just like nearby.
83. What did he do?
83 Northgate Avenue. He has a gun. He was pointing at us. We just ran, but he's there. There was another lady that he was pointing at too.
Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
Oh, sorry, say that again.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
He's white.
What color shirt and pants was he wearing?
Black. I think he has a jacket. Black and
black jacket?
Black pants. Yes.
Black jacket, black pants. Okay, stay on the line for me. I'm going to dispatch officers, okay?
He's bald.
Bald?
He doesn't have hair.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't hang up. Don't hang up.
All units, 83,000 block of Northgate Avenue. Suspect is a bald young man in black pants and a jacket. Suspected assault with a deadly weapon.
The suspect is described as a bald young man wearing black pants and a jacket. During the investigation, the suspect is identified as 27-year-old Marcus Hayes. Hayes is armed with a firearm and reportedly points it at the person reporting the incident, according to the caller.
I saw that guy in all black right here, but I can't see. I just saw clothes.
Oh, yeah, he's bald too.
Yeah. Oh, he's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, drop it! Yo! Hey! Fuck! Hey! Drop it! Hey! Drop it now! Drop it! I'm gonna shoot you!
He's got tattoos all over his face, bro.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
X46, we're code 6 on the suspect. Give me a backup, 415 man with a gun. We're right in front of Nate's Cafe. Lift up your hands! Hands in the air! All the way up! All the way up! All the way up!
Hey, can you leave me alone, dog? I'm on probation.
Hey, don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't reach for it! Okay, we gotta go less lethal. Okay. Go!
Upon arrival, officers observe the situation and order Hayes to drop the gun. He refuses to comply and begins running. Officers pursue Hayes while continuously commanding him to drop the weapon. Hayes raises the gun and fires at the officers, resulting in an officer-involved shooting.
Drop the gun or I'm gonna shoot you! Watch crossfire! 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 Bump, 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 bump! It's not a big deal, nothing happened, hey! Nothing happened, you're not in trouble! You're not in trouble, okay, drop it! Drop the gun! You're not in trouble right now! I don't wanna hurt you! Don't be stupid! Don't be stupid! Drop it now, bro, come on! Hey! I want to take care of you, bro! Hey, drop it! Drop it or I'm gonna shoot you! Drop it, bro, hey! I'm gonna take care of you, bro! Hey, let me help you! Let me help you! I'm gonna help you. Hey! It's not a big deal. Nothing happened. Hey! Nothing happened. You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. Okay, drop it. Okay, drop it. Drop it or you're not in trouble right now. I don't want to hurt you. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Drop it now, bro. Come on. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you, bro. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you, bro. Hey, you're fine. Hey, let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Drop it now. Shots fired, shots fired. Officer needs help.
Hayes then throws the firearm onto the street and raises his hands. Officers approach to detain him, but he attempts to strike them. Officers take Hayes to the ground and eventually take him into custody.
Drop it now. Shots fired, shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the shotgun, get the shotgun! Get the shotgun! Get the shotgun! I got it. Get out of here! I got it. Get out of here! Get the shotgun, get the shotgun! Get the shotgun! Get the shotgun! I got it. Get out of here! Get out of here!
Hayes is not struck by gunfire. None of the officers or community members are injured. A loaded 9mm semi-automatic pistol and a 15-round magazine are recovered at the scene and booked as evidence.